paradox of marketing today is, people have never been more connected, but at the same time, people have never been more difficult to connect to. They are savvy, they want value, they smell BS a mile away, and they want authenticity. Taking action in that context can be really difficult. This idea of be of the web, not on the web. Be in a place where you are creating for users. Always think about users. You're not going to win when you take your analog processes and digitize them. You're not going to work when you try to force the consumer through your convoluted business process that only works for you and your associates, right? If you want to do something that's going to be breakthrough, that's going to be innovative, you got to think the way people think, solve the problems that they have. If you can't keep up with the reality of a connected world rocketing toward 50 billion connected devices, I'm not talking to the right person. Go upstream, right? Think about what consumers want, right? Figure out how this stuff works, and you can make some things that are really pretty amazing. Shape the things that shape the brand. And if you want to influence that thing, you're going to have to get in the sandbox. Make the future a simple extension of your past. It's not scary. It's not different. This is the natural continuation of what we set out to do decades ago. In the case of Coca-Cola, this idea of putting our brands within arm's reach of desire. Everybody who works at Coca-Cola and anybody who studies marketing has heard this idea. Put your brands within arm's reach of desire. Coke's mobile strategy, scared people, was really articulated almost 100 years ago, 1927, when Robert Woodruff said those words. The only thing different today is that at the end of that arm, between reach and desire, is a mobile device. So our choice is really simple. Do we want mobile to be a barrier to or an enabler of desire? Well, I want mobile to be an enabler of desire, right? I want to use the phone in one hand to put a Coke in the other. 1.9 billion servings of Coca-Cola in a world with about 7 billion SIMs. That's 5.1 billion people walking around with a phone and no Coke. Right? That's a simple problem to fix. Everybody gets on board with that. Coca-Cola has by far the world's largest NFC payment fleet. We have 130,000 vending machines. We are a top 10 credit card processor in this country. That is an enormous retail footprint, ready to solve a consumer problem because everybody has walked up to a Coke vending machine and either not had a credit card, not had cash, the machine was full, wasn't given change. Your iPhone solves this problem, right? Enables desire. I want a Coke, I'm gonna make that easy for you. We end up on stage. We can debate all day long about what's possible, what's gonna happen, and we might not know, but here's what we know. There is no future world that does not include mobile payments. That's a fact. Everybody knows when they see me at Coke, it's about enabling desire, a phone in one hand and a Coke in the other. It's not about whether this social site or that social site, is it gonna be Facebook, is it gonna be WeChat? Who cares? There's no future world that doesn't include social networking. Solve that problem, go upstream. Don't get distracted by the name, right? The shiny thing standing in front of you. Think about this, there are only two ways work gets done in your organization. There are only two possible ways work happens. Either you do it, or you hire somebody to do it, right? You're either doing the work or an agency's doing the work. That simple observation gives you instruction on how to start organizing those things. Internal folks need to do this work. They need to learn about SEO, learn about data marketing. They need to build their capabilities. They need to be smart and ready to compete in this world. If you give everybody the same inputs, you're gonna get the same outputs, right? I'm not any smarter, and I'm probably 10 steps behind every marketer at Coca-Cola. But I read different things than they do. I put myself in different environments that they do. I ask different questions than they do. At UPS, it was these three ideas, right? Create for people, swim upstream, learn how the watch is made. At ING, find those sandboxes, get some facts. At Coca-Cola, right, tap into culture and prepare. I have brought all of those things forward with me. I just keep on packing them into my little bag of tricks and digging in when I need them. Curiosity, right? I want to know how the watch is made, right? I'm a marketing guy. I am not a technologist. I want to understand how this stuff works. Because once I understand the pieces, maybe I can figure out a way to reassemble them in a different way, right, than how you imagined it. right, and do something pretty cool. Unquenchable optimism, right? You got to walk through 1,000 no's to get to the yes. Don't forget your stakeholders are a target audience, just like your consumers, and they need to be marketed to. Of the web, not on the web. Shape the things that shape the brands. Enable desire. Those are my campaigns.